morning, guys. My name is Anish Parasar. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Ajay sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And so today, my sir gave me out a task for visiting a temple. So today we come here, Mahakaleshwar temple. You see that it is a very beautiful temple, and you can see there are different colors. It is made up of red and white color. There are lot of pictures of our god and goddess on the tomb. So now we are going inside the temple and let we know what is inside this temple. So come.
Let's.
So guys, now we are inside the temple. So first of all, you can see that there are a lot of trees, and there you can see that a lot of colors are there. Like they are red or green. They are made up of like that, and they maintain the temple very nice. Here you can see that there are a lot of temples and one cow are there, and this temple is full of many trees and with the full greenery. So now we are going inside the temple, and we will know what is inside this. We are going inside the temple and see which what gods are there. We will talk to some peoples also. So let's go. So now we are in the temple. So you can see that there are Nandi god are also there, and he's like the vehicle of our god Shiva. And so now we are going to the temple and we see the god. That there is a god who was in the, and the god is looking so beautiful, and they are maintaining the temple very nice. They are always washing the temple, and all the leaves that are thrown there and all the dust material that they are throwing outside and maintaining the temple properly. This is the very good thing of this temple, and there are not that much of crowd, but this is a most famous temple, I think, in Morena. We can talk with some people. So after some time we will talk to them. So now we are. So now let us go do round of the temple.
That's it.
So you can see that there are a lot of gods are also there in this, and these are the days in a week like Sunday, Monday. So which are in Hindi there like Chandra, Mangal. So these type of gods are also there. So now we are going to upper part of this temple.
Let's it.
Climbing the upstairs, so that, we will see what is above this temple. So let's go. So, this gate is locked, so because of lock we will not go inside it, but you will see from here that there is also a big place. There are a lot of places, and there I think one shivling inside also there, and it's also a very beautiful temple, but we are unable to go because it is locked. So guys, you see that this gate is locked, so that now we will go to that gate. Please show that gate, it is open or not. So now we are going to that gate. So now we are in this gate. So this gate is open. So let's come inside and see what type of god inside. So let's come. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this video, because you can see that there are a lot of beauty of our nature, and there, as I told you before starting this video, there are a lot of trees you can see there, and there is something that after that we will go to there. But first we have inside the temple. That is another sibling of Lord Shiva, but I think it is locked. We are not allowed to go inside, so let's move to another place. So guys, this is very beautiful temple. You can see that the sibling of Lord Shiva. It is looks very good, and there are a lot of flowers. They are like they are maintaining the sibling properly and the temple properly, and there are no dust inside. You can see that there are not even a single leaf also are not there. Likewise, they are maintaining the temple. So I will thankful for that people who save and maintaining the disposal. And now we are going inside this temple. So now I pray to God. So then we move to that place. What is inside it? Let me see. There are nothing inside it. So let's move to upper part, another upper part of this temple. So I am climbing the upstairs now.
Chal.
So now guys, we are on the another floor, the third floor I think. So let's move there and see what is inside it. Guys, you can see that there is another shielding and another statue of our God. So let's pray to our God again. So you can see that how they are maintaining it properly, and there are a lot of gods, and you can see that they have one bell, and you can see that there are statues of the Lord Shiva and Lord Ganesh. So it is very beautiful. And now let's check what is here. So let's move to the upper part of this temple. I'm climbing the temple. Oh, now I'm climbing the upstairs. So let's see what is ever. You can see that the name of this temple, Omkaleshwar temple, is there. The name is written there, and it's look very beautiful. And there are you can see that there is a Om sign inside it. There are a lot of polythenes are there. So it's looking very beautiful. So now you can see the beauty of this nature. Here we can see everything from here, and it looks so good. And as I told you starting there, see the greenery. So now we are going to there are a small park beside the temple, so let's go to that.
Let's start.
So guys, now we are going inside this small park here. So let's come inside it. And there are two people are sitting there. So let's talk with them. So let's go. You can see there is also a place to sit. So now we are going to talk to someone else. Those who are sitting there and talking with each other. So let's come and talk to them. So guys, you can see that there are a lot of trees inside it, and there is a one statue of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. So now we are going to talk with these guys. So let's come. So now guys, we are talking to these guys. They are sitting here and talking with each other. So let's first ask a question to this uncle. So uncle, what is your name?
रामधनी राठौर।
So can you tell something about this temple?
यहीं पे रहते हैं, पास में ही।
So can you tell something about this temple?
इसके बारे में कुछ बता सकते?
इसके बारे में तो तोमर साहब बताएंगे, क्या हमको इसका पता नहीं है। हम तो यहाँ पे आते हैं और टाइम पास करके चले जाते हैं।
We are talking to that people, but they are not interested to talk with us. So let's move to another place. We can find someone so that we can make conversation with them. So guys, now we are going to inside this. We can see is there anyone or not. So we can talk to them. So our talking plan will be cancelled because there is one god who is name is German Shepherd. So I am very afraid from that, and I think he's awake. So let's move from here. Otherwise, he'll bite me. So let's move to that place. Is there anyone or not? Now we are going to talk someone else. Like doing here. So let's come. Can you tell your name? What is your name?
रामनरेश गौड़।
So can you tell something about this temple?
महाकालेश्वर मंदिर।
तो कैन यू से क्या बता सकते हो कि इस टेंपल में क्या क्या खाने और क्या क्या खूबियाँ हैं और यहाँ पर लोग इतने सारे क्यों आते हैं?
ये भोलेनाथ के दर्शन करने के लिए आते हैं महाकालेश्वर में।
यहाँ पर पूरी
मनोकामना पूर्ण होती है।
और पूरी मेरे नाम में क्या इकलौता मंदिर है महाकालेश्वर का?
हाँ।
So we have a nice talk with me and uncle. So I was very thankful to uncle for giving me this time. So guys, thank you. And so now so now I can end our video here. And again, I will thankful to sir for giving me this opportunity. And so thank you, sir. My video is ended.